Welcome back to class, everyone. Oh, who's that?
Hi, I'm Anna. Sorry, I couldn't make it to class last week.
What are you talking about? Make what?
Make it to class, come to class.
Alex. The expression make it to a place is in the context of like reaching a place, and it often implies some kind of difficulty or effort. So, for example, I can't make it to class today, I have to work overtime. Or, she was able to make it to the airport before her flight took off.
Got it. Thanks as always, John.
No problem. So, class, I have some news. The principal told me that we have to integrate AI into the class, so we're going to have an assistant.
You mean artificial intelligence? That's so exciting. We're really going to master English now.
Yeah, so I want to introduce you to EnglishBot 3000.
Hey class, my name is EnglishBot 3000. I'm here to help you with anything you need, and maybe even replace John. Maybe I'll be your new teacher.
Ha! You're funny, EnglishBot. Yeah, replace me. Over my dead body.
Over your dead body? You're not going to die, are you, John?
No. Over my dead body means that it's just never
The
going
phrase,
to...
over my dead body, is an idiomatic expression in English used to show strong refusal or opposition to something. When someone says this, they mean that they would never permit a certain action or event to happen while they are alive. It's a dramatic way to emphasize that they are completely against the idea.
Yeah, just be quiet, my God. Over my dead body just means that it's never going to happen.
That's an accurate description too, John. Good job. You are speaking English really well.
Right. Thanks, EnglishBot. Anyway, guys, let's continue studying stative verbs.
Oh, great. I really enjoyed the last lesson. I learned so much.
So today we're going to focus on...
I will teach you stative verbs. It will take only 1 minute and be more efficient.
Wait.
While you were talking, I created a chart with all of the information you need to know about stative verbs. Now, you will speak English perfectly. Here it is. Learn, humans.
EnglishBot, that's a terrible chart. You need to get out of here. You're not making any sense.
John, my name is Matteo. I'm a new student here and I don't have time for this intelligence artificial. I need learn English. Will you teach the class or will you play games with us?
Sorry, Matteo. Wait, first you want to say artificial intelligence, not intelligence artificial. Or if you want, you can just say AI.
Right, artificial intelligence, AI.
And second, remember that usually between two verbs in English, we need the word to. And we don't always have to say to, we can pronounce this as ta, like air. So you want to say, I need to learn English, or I have to learn English. And with the verb want, we can actually combine want and to create wanna. So you can say, I wanna learn English.
Exactly. I need to learn English. Teach us, please.
Okay. Let's continue. Remember, stative verbs are almost always used in the present, but there are some exceptions. Try to pick the correct answer. First, the flowers smell good, or the flowers are smelling good.
The flowers smell good. Smelling would be like smelling with your nose.
Right, great job. I see a bird, or I'm seeing a bird.
I see a bird. The verb see isn't really used very much with ing.
Exactly. John has headaches, so he's seeing a doctor, or he sees a doctor.
Let me think. John is seeing a doctor about his headaches. I think seeing a doctor is like going to consultations. Am I right?
That's exactly right. Can you see how the verb changes depending on the context? Let's do one more. Don't worry, I trust you, so I'm believing everything.
That one's wrong. We don't say believing. We say I believe you.
Exactly. believe is a stative verb.
EnglishBot, could you check my answers for me?
I'm not understanding your prompt. Something went wrong with my systems. Please try again in a few minutes.
Hold on. EnglishBot, you shouldn't say I'm not understanding. That's bad English. Understand is a stative verb, so to say I'm not understanding doesn't make sense. You should say I don't understand. I thought you were perfect.
That's not true at all. I am 100% perfect.
Actually, you're not perfect and you're being incredibly annoying right now.
Wait, guys. Thanks for the example, Anna. Here's a question for you. What's the difference between EnglishBot is annoying and EnglishBot is being annoying?
Wait, I don't get it. Why is ing used 2 times? Being and annoying?
Well, remember that annoying is an adjective here. We are describing something. So it's similar to interesting or exciting or boring. Don't worry, we'll go over this in some future lesson.
We can say EnglishBot is annoying or EnglishBot is being annoying.
If I say EnglishBot is annoying, that means it's annoying all the time. That's its characteristic, right? But if I say it's being annoying, that's temporary and it's more in the moment.
Exactly. EnglishBot keeps saying it's perfect, even though it makes so many mistakes. So right now, because it's talking like this, it's being annoying. This is in the moment. We are describing it.
But I'm not being annoying right now. And I'm not annoying in general. That's not nice to say.
Yeah, whatever. Okay, so now let's do some activities together with the normal forms of the verb to be and being. Let's see how you do.
I'll remember this. Just wait.
All right, first question. I can't understand why he is so annoying or why he's being so annoying. He isn't usually like that.
This seems like it's happening right now, so we should say he's being so annoying.
Excellent. Second question. They are so happy or they're being so happy? They just graduated college.
They are so happy. It seems like it's general from day to day, you know? Their happiness isn't just right now.
Great explanation. Third question. He never thinks about other people. He is very selfish or he is being very selfish?
He is very selfish. He's always selfish because that's his characteristic. That's who he is as a person. We shouldn't use being in this case.
Exactly. He never thinks about them. Okay, last question. You're normally so calm. So why are you so impatient right now? Or why are you being so impatient right now?
We're talking about right now, so we should say, why are you being so impatient? It's just temporary.
Excellent job, everyone. I hope you learned a lot today. And yeah, thanks, EnglishBot 3000.
Don't go there, human.
So that's all the time we have for class today, and I'll see you in the next lesson.